Hello guys, welcome to this video. uh, in this video you will learn how to record your screens and how to make videos by using an open source and free to use software. If you have to record your screens and make videos, so I'm going to tell you a very good open source and free to use software that will help you in doing so you will have to open any browser like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other browser you can open, and what you will have to type here is OBS Studio. So OBS Studio is basically an open source and free to use software, and uh, it's a software with pretty nice interface, and it's quite simple to use. So this kind of interface is going to open in front of you in the browser. So what you will have to do, you will have to click on downloads and it will direct you to the download page. So here you will have to select your relevant operating system. So as I'm using Windows, so definitely I'm going to use Windows. So further there are two types of installation processes. One is zip installer, and second one is exe file. So if you are going to download zip, that is also an easy way to install this software, and if you are going to exe file, then still it's easy to use. So anyone that you feel more convenient or that you will feel good, you can go for it. So I will prefer downloading the zip file, so I will click here, and yeah, you can see here in the taskbar that it has started downloading. It is basically downloads progress, so it will take almost a minute or less than a minute to download this video studio, sorry. Once it is downloaded, then all you need to do, you will have to extract it, and you will have to double click on the exe file inside the folder, and it will open OBS Studio, and then you will be able to record your screen. So once our download is complete, then let's record the further process. So okay, the download is complete. Let's go to the download folder. Here we will have to first let me delete this one. This is an extra file. So okay, let's extract it to OBS Studio 29.1.3. this is the latest version of this software. Okay, by the way, I'm also recording this video with OBS Studio, so if you like the quality of the video, then definitely I will recommend you this software. So it almost has extracted everything in this folder. Let's get into this folder and further into the bin folder and further into the 64-bit folder. Here you can see this this is the OBS 64 file that you will have to click by that you will have to open by double clicking. So you can even mark it to the task manager. You can pin it somewhere else, or you can create the shortcut on your desktop for your easiness. So as I already have installed and pinned on the task bar, so I'm not going to do so. So I will just double click on this and I will open this software. So it says that I have already OBS Studio running on my system, so still I will say launch anyway. So it will launch a new instance of OBS Studio, so even it will not disturb the currently running OBS Studio instance. So that's the beauty of this software. We'll have to wait a minute, and then it will open the new instance of OBS Studio. Okay, here you can see it has opened the interface of OBS Studio, and what I will have to do, I will have to click on this screen. It is the current screen that is externally connected to my laptop. So then I will have to press start recording. So then it will start recording. So when I will click on stop recording, then what it will do, it will stop recording and it will save .mkv video format on my PC. So I hope you like this video. Thank you, take care, bye bye.